Alrighty, we're at a friend's place. We come to look at a Winnebago, but we're just outside here. Riley was on the show for a little while, the first couple episodes. On the show, Bad Chad Customs, he helped us out a bit, but he's into old cars just like we are. And he's got an old wagon as a standard. Yeah, 4-speed. Oh wow. Yeah. So it's Pinto wagon. How long's it been?
Mercury. It's a Bobcat.
It's a Bobcat.
Yeah.
And it's got reverse now, would you? It's got dual windows in the back.
Yeah,
you never noticed that,
yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. And some of them, they put them little bubble windows on the side.
Yeah.
But this thing's pretty cool. Never been touched.
Never been touched.
Never been touched. Well,
she's like a newborn baby. Never
yeah.
had to spank yet. Okay, four-cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Air conditioning.
Yeah.
Does it run at all?
There's no carburetor on it.
Okay, you haven't messed with it.
I haven't touched it.
Jesus, I got a Pinto motor down the house.
Do you?
Yeah, and it has a carburetor on it.
I got a brand new one in a box.
Oh, wow.
This. It came with it. It was over $600.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is not what we come to look at, but we might as well look at it, see where we're looking at old cars.
Those are the original wheels, original mud flaps and stuff on this side. I have a set of the Mustang 2 slotted mags, just kind of spruce it up a bit.
Yeah.
It would make a nice little driver for somebody.
You like wagons, obviously. You got another wagon over there.
Yeah, Montego, another Mercury.
You drive that one much?
Yeah, every day.
Every day?
Every day I can, yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's not too bad on fuel if you drive it right.
Yeah.
But I like to mess with it on the highway.
We come to look at a Winnebago. We're going to go inside and take a look at it. And, I've seen this thing before a couple times, but now I want to look at it again. It's a cool little thing, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's the shorty version.
Yeah.
I think they come in 24, and this is 18 feet long, bumper to bumper. And they make a bigger one again, but this is kind of...
And you've got the tires flat to get it inside?
Yeah, the door's 9.6, and I think this is 9 something, I forget now.
Okay.
It was kind of an issue hauling at home with the overpasses. We thought we were gonna...
How did you haul it?
Gooseneck trailer.
Gooseneck trailer.
Yeah, from Annapolis Royal, I'm from. Drove it on the trailer.
Does it run?
Yeah.
What's it getting for an engine?
318.
318.
Yeah, there's only 30,000 miles on it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Transmission good in everything,
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah, it seems to be. I've driven it a few times.
Does it have brakes?
Yeah, I put new brakes on the front of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Disc brakes on the front. I put new flex lines, calipers, new master cylinder on it a few years ago.
Which side is the best side? This side or
This side, yeah.
This side's the best? This side more faded?
Yeah, well,
Okay.
yeah. The awning side.
You got something I can put my knees on to look underneath of it?
Yeah.
I want to take a look at it.
Even got a flashlight for you.
All right. Take a look inside here.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's got the cherry bombs on it.
Cherry bomb!
Crudely on there.
What's the ratchet strap for?
Well, I was going to see if I could ratchet the suspension down a bit, and it didn't work. So I had to take the roof vents off and flatten the tires to get it through the door,
Okay.
but it does come in and out.
Yeah, I see what you got going on there.
It didn't work. I thought it might, but broke the ratchet strap.
Broke the ratchet strap. Yeah, it's not bad, or even it's pretty dry.
It is dry, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty dry. A little undercoat would make that thing look like $1 million.
Yeah.
You got 2 cherry bombs on it.
2 cherry bombs.
Right on. Not that bad, actually. Underneath, it's good.
I just wanted to lower it on the light springs.
I've seen one on the internet.
Yeah, I have a magazine with one in it.
That's on the ground.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Well, that seems to me like, what does it seem like to me? It's a bunch of work, isn't it?
A lot of work.
A lot of work, yeah. You have to take the body off, obviously,
Yeah.
and then do the suspension and deal with that.
I was thinking take a bunch of leaves out of it, but I don't think it would sit well enough. Be nice. To get it
Well,
in-
you
in
could
the-
probably take some leaves out and let it down,
Yeah.
and then airbag it.
Yeah.
Probably be the deal. You're wrong.
You like that light, don't you?
Well, it's not bad. Not bad. Can you take a look inside of it?
Sure.
Look at that now. I can stand on that.
Yeah, it'll hold you.
Okay. Look at that now, would you? Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
The dryer sheets keep the mice out.
Okay.
That's a very RV thing to do. I've been noticing.
I like the curtain.
Yeah.
It's cool.
What are those, burlap bags?
Yeah, it's not asbestos.
It's not asbestos. So we've got a little leaking going on, have you, up front here?
Well, so that's what it looked like when I first got it.
Yeah.
Because these are bonded together.
Yeah.
So Dad and I, when we did it, as far as we got with the tin, we took it down to the styrofoam and we put 2x2 studs in it.
Yeah.
Actually, Aaron helped us with it.
Yeah.
And then the old barn board. And then when it came time to do the roof, there's no real truss in them.
Yeah.
So Dad come up with the idea. He said, well, let's go to Kent and see how many bent 2x4s we can find. So you know how people are like looking,
Yeah.
they picked the best. Well, we looked for the most arch.
Yeah.
And we put 3 of them in with the most bent.
On the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To get kind of the
So you just got 3 2x4s running across from
Yep.
your studs running across
Yep.
the top.
just to brace it up. And
Would this be a bed?
that's a
up here?
bed. Yeah.
Up in there?
Yeah. Folds down, hooks on here.
Okay.
I guess that's the factory, like square tubed.
This is your flooring for
Just
up front.
front flooring.
Yeah.
we-
I like the shifters. That's
You
cool.
you have quite a few of those.
Yeah, I've had a couple of them.
Yeah. Yeah. I used your idea for the hockey tape on the wiring harness right there.
Oh, nice.
Well, there you go.
Remember you showed me that?
Well, I like hockey tape better than the electrical tape.
It looks better.
It does.
Yeah.
It does look better.
Yeah. No, it's been a storage shed, and
And you want it out of your shop, don't you?
well,
Yeah.
it takes up quite a bit of room. It
Yeah.
just
Can you start it up?
yeah. I'm just gonna put the battery cable on it.
He's gonna start her up. Cool.
Loud.
Well, it's got cherry bombs. What I expect. Can I sit on this without? Stop. That's cool. To know where you're going, you must know where you've been.
It's not the most aerodynamic thing to drive down the road.
So when you've driven it a few times, motor looks all right?
Seems to. It sets more than anything. Like it is. Probably use it another tune now. I put new plugs and wires and new voltage regulator on it and stuff. But it, like I say, it sets more than.
Yeah, it
more
needs
than
to be,
anything.
needs to be driven, is what you're saying?
Yeah,
You've got the head thing off the top.
I do. Yeah, I get 2 new ones for it. Roof vents that they wind up. And,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, it's pretty cool.
Some Winnebago paraphernalia on the TV there.
I see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, aftershave. Any aftershave left in it?
Probably not.
What are these? The hump for the wheels?
Yeah, yeah. So it had 2 plastic wheel wells, so we were kind of thinking what we'd do to cover it. So we built TVs.
Does it come decorated?
It can, yeah.
Because it's pretty cool, you know.
Yeah.
Like,
That chuck wagon, that's actually a lamp.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I able? You got a step ladder or anything? So I look on the like. I'm just wondering how I would deal with the. I
roof?
think I sort of think I know how I deal with it, but
Yeah.
did you have an idea how you were going to do it?
for the roof?
Yeah, to make it stop. You know, where was it leaking? Up front?
In the sides,
Yeah.
right here. It's almost like it's kind of coming apart. If you park it a certain way, it leaks.
Okay.
So you can see it up in there. I don't know if it just come apart from
In here?
Yeah, you can see it.
What do you mean it comes apart like?
Almost like it's spread. Like they're not structurally sound. They're bonded together. These.
Okay, I want to take a look.
Sure.
If you don't mind.
Might be able to stand up on the back. If not, I'll grab a ladder from the house. The rental in there.
How would I get up there?
Up on that.
Okay.
Yeah, I do it.
I don't want to hurt myself.
No, don't fall.
That'll hold me, will it?
Yes, my God.
That right there will hold me?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold the spare tire to hold you. See, you're not tall like me. I do have new rubber roof too.
I don't understand what she just opened it up, is it, you think?
Yeah, like on the corners. They're. See here, right here. What kind of bow at the top? Like it.
Yeah.
I don't know if they clipped a tree with it or one time or.
So that would just be the matter of putting the fascia all the way around
Something,
and then
yeah.
rubber
Yeah,
roofing it
and a
again.
caulk, and like the roofing was over it.
You've got wheels for this side,
Yes.
like the other side?
Yep, yep, and those, I get the actual dually wheels, new hubcaps for it. Those are when they're on it now.
Okay. Yeah, she's quite a unit, that's for sure.
It's so ugly, it's good looking, but
It's so ugly, it's good looking.
yeah,
Is that what you're
it's
saying?
a trip on the cord.
Oh, not too bad. Yeah, it's quite a unit.
And what do you guys want to do with it?
Well, Jolene has some of her clothing or merch that we could put in it.
Yeah,
Instead, we have it in the shop, and it's always getting dusty.
that's right.
You know, to pile it in the house, to go to the house every time, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Not a pain in the ass, it is a pain in the ass, I guess, sort of. For Jolene, it'd be nice to be able to put her merch in it and hang it up, and then you could just walk in.
Walk in it, yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
I see some white walls up there. I like white walls.
Yeah, 14-inch. They're an odd size, but they're a tall 14. I had 12 of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's a cool old rig, that's for sure. Like, and it's just like that. That doesn't. Does it move, or does it stay? Just stays like that.
Just stays like that, yeah.
So
If you park it a certain way, like the water will come in. I haven't.
well, obviously it's leaking somewhere. It's
Yeah.
just the water's running. When you park it this way, the water's
That's
running
right,
down in
yeah.
there. You'd have to rubber roof it. Probably no doubt in my mind.
Yeah, so rubber on the campers, the rubber roofs go over and down, and then there's a drip rail that'll pinch it all together.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. That's for sure.
Needs a good home.
Needs a good home, does it?
Yeah. Back to the valley.
Back to the valley. I've seen it once before, and I went and looked at it, and I kind of hemmed and hawed about it, and you know, here it is. You got it. How long have you How long have you owned it?
Oh my God. 5 years now.
5 years now.
Yeah. It'd be nice to see it like it all painted like the gold that on it. Like,
Well, to be honest with you, I don't know if I'd touch it.
yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I just think it's kind of, what can I say? I think I don't know.
Leave it.
I think I'd leave it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. I think I'd leave it just because you start spending the time on that part.
Well, and then
Well, then you're into it for more money and more time and more everything. Actually.
brake switch sticking on it.
The what?
The brake light switch. Brake pedal switch sticking on it.
Okay, you shove the brake pedal on. You get with the
Yeah,
battery
it's on
hooked
there.
up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Just,
There's a few
like I
things
say,
that got to
it
be going
sits
over.
more- Sits more than anything. It just.
Well, obviously, if you can't run it in and out, and,
Yeah.
and you get your tops off it. So tell me, would we get the new tops to go with it that you have?
Yep. What color do you want? Black or white?
I wouldn't be up on the roof, so it wouldn't really matter, would it? Like, look, as long as they cover the roof.
That's right.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, it's pretty cool.
You don't see very many of them anymore.
No, and everyone I've seen, someone's took a paintbrush to it and painted the side of it
Yeah.
and changed the color of it, and it doesn't look
That's right.
that good, you know? Your old man's truck sitting over there piled.
Yeah, we put electric steering on it this year out of a Toyota Prius.
Okay.
Yeah. It worked pretty good.
Good.
Yeah. He didn't get to drive it, but he was happy just to see it go down the road. And he
Yeah.
did, so.
That's obviously yours now.
It is, yeah.
Cool. That's where it should go.
Yeah. We're gonna do
He's got the toy up top of there?
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
more paraphernalia.
Yeah.
I actually have a Winnebago model that the dealership sold. He put it together, it's got batteries. I drove all the way to Bridgewater to get it. And it drives around in a circle.
Cool.
So, what you got in here? Does like,
It all goes
how are
with
you selling this thing?
It'll all go with it.
It'll all go with it. The TV works.
I don't know. It's been a while.
Does the fridge work?
Yeah. Yeah. You guys, if you take it, can do whatever you want inside. Make it yours.
Yeah. So you leave it just the way it is.
Yep.
Wow. How long could we leave it here? Like we need a little bit too.
Oh, yeah, to find it.
if we were gonna be, you know,
To get it home.
to get it home and
Yeah.
to, you know, we have to get a trailer and have to come back and get it and that sort of stuff.
No, we can get you geared up.
And
before it
you
goes.
know,
I'll put the vents in it. I'll have caulking and all that good stuff. And, you know,
Okay. And you're firm on the price.
Got more than that in it.
Well, that's the way it always goes.
I know.
doesn't it? You're firm on the price, and we don't want to go there.
I would like to see it go to a good home.
Yes. Well, I'm gonna talk it over with Jolene,
Yeah.
and then we'll go from there. Did you want to take another walk in, looking around it?
The merch wagon.
The merch wagon. I think that's more or less what she's thinking, I guess. I think it's pretty cool. The awning is good, does it not?
It does.
But is it holy or it's original? I see a picture of the awning. It still comes out and everything, does it?
It should still, yeah. The awning arm.
Yeah.
There's pins right there on the little hangers, but
Right here?
yeah. There's kind of a trick to it. We'll have to figure it out, but we can get it out.
No, I don't need it. Well,
It looks better when it's outside and the right size wheels and it all cleaned up
yeah.
for sure.
Oh, clean back.
Ball horn, hood ornament.
I've seen that. That's pretty cool.
Got that from truck shop. I was working at.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
We could chrome up the bumper.
We could chrome up the bumper. We'd have to do that.
Yeah.
We had to chrome up the bumper. Did you show this truck here?
Mhm.
It's got a diesel in it. What size diesel in it?
5.9.
5.9.
Yeah. I actually got a diesel motorcycle given to me the other day.
A diesel motorcycle.
Yeah. It's got a 2-cylinder Kubota engine on it.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
an old Honda, and they put a Polaris automatic 4-wheeler transmission behind it.
Wow.
I gotta get it home.
I'd like to see that.
Yeah.
Wow. Four-wheeler going on 2 wheels.
That's an everyday occurrence here.
I said that. Like I said that. Sometimes I think that we're in the sticks, but we're. Sometimes you can get further out than we are.
Yeah. If it can be driven by, it'll go by, or
Okay.
towed, or whatever.
Alrighty, let's wrap it up and see what we're gonna do.
But,
Later, everybody. Hope you like it.